Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark a task as completed in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios, and goals. From here we just have to go into a project, like this. Then we have to tap on the task that we want to edit. And then in the top we find a little check mark, and if we tap on that, the task is going to be marked as completed. Now we can do the same thing. Okay, let me just remove this check mark. We can do the same thing here. As we open the project, we are going to have the task list here, and next to each of the tasks there's going to be a check mark, and if you just tap on that, it's going to be marked as completed. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.